I know you heard that. Take a second look and you gon' replay all of that. What you here for? I guess to praise the Lord.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you what I ended up doing with my Barbie carrying pouch that I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, it was from Dollar Tree. If you recall, Flyboo did a video on designing, making it her bathroom pouch, and I made mine. I finally did get around to doing it. I had gotten all of my supplies and I just hadn't got back into creative mode because Joshua had gotten hurt. So I was making a pouch for a subscriber that I need to send out, and I decided, since I was already in creative mode, let's go ahead and get this one done. So this is my designed personalized Barbie pouch, and I named it my lady pouch. I always call the items that I take into the bathroom or on vacation with me my lady pouch. So this is her. Voila. So what I did, I put the lady slanted, pouch slanted, I bejeweled it out all the way around, and I just decided to use that design. And I put some lipstick, diamonds, eyelashes, nail polish. There's nail polish again, some sunnies, and a diamond. And I think another little diamond right there. And that's all I wanted on her. I decided to do it slanted and do it vertical because the back hangs vertical. So I wanted to be able to use it the way that, you know, have it, when I put it on the back of the door or wherever I hang it, I can still, you know, just see my little cute design since I put a little bit of work into it, you know. And then over here I did put a little zipper pull with a little, you know, my little bag there. This I will change out back and forth. I didn't opt for a fur ball because I know this, if it will be in the bathroom, I wouldn't want it to have germs and stuff in it. So I'll change it out. If I find something like a toothbrush or, you know, something that's pertaining to these items in here, then I will switch it out. But I'll let you get a really close look at it. And you want to try to use travel size items in this particular item. And this thing can fit tons more, okay? It can fit a lot more. So it can fit a lot. This is it, horizontal. But yes, it could fit a lot more. So, some of the things that I have, this is my current lady pouch because I'm carrying my Purple City tote, but you could transfer all this type of stuff in there. Definitely grab you some of these if you're traveling. I used to use these back in trucking, and those things were so helpful. And then my panty liners, I always opted for the pre-wrapped ones. So keep that in mind too, so that you're not having to worry about them being protected. Like my other ones that I have in here, they are not protected, so I have them between my feminine pads, okay? So, but you can always put them into plastic as well, or they make the little container they have at Shein. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got one for Shein, and it just holds the pads alone, but that's just be doing too much, so I don't even use it. I'll just put everything. Normally, I just put everything in my little, like when my mother was on, well, okay, that's TMI, as my mother said, but you see, I put it in my little panty pouch, but that doesn't hold a lot. So if I'm going on a trip, I will put them in here, or if I'm using something like this, but you want to put this kind of stuff and your tissue and all that, whatever you need to get through your trip. Basically, I don't have to sit here and, you know, try to tell you guys what you need to pack. But this is my current one right now. the purple one, but I'm not going to add anything to this. I like this just how it is, but this one I wanted to show you. And then here is the pouch that I designed for the subscriber. I gave her a snack pouch. Everyone seemed to have loved the snack pouch, so I decided to do one, and I wanted it to be different than mine, so she just didn't feel like I just gave her the same exact thing. So her letters are going up and down, you know, a little wonky, a little fun. Let's see, I put her initial in there. That's not good. Okay, and so anyway, I have tons of subscribers, so you guys have to try to figure that out. But yeah, there you go. And even if you figure it out, girl, here it comes. So this is what yours look like, and this is what mine look like. Let's see. I don't care if you know about the initial. It's fine. That's what they look like. So this is mine with different letters, and then her letters are made like, they're made like these letters here. So if you have designed your own lady pouch, or most of you call it your bathroom pouch, whatever you use it for, your personal pouch, let me know. Hit me up. Let me see your video and what you did with it, because it was definitely fun to do. And my favorite color scheme, pink. Although I love, you know, this color pink, I absolutely also love, this is my favorite pink in trucking, is the hot pink or the bold pink. So this is going to go cute with all of my travel items. It'll even go with my Victoria's Secret stuff. I don't care if it's not pastel pink. So anyway, this was lots of fun to do. I'm not done doing them. Some people have asked me to do some things for them with purses and things. So I'll be working on that kind of stuff. But, oh, and I forgot, to the young lady that asked me about the mask, this is what I ended up doing with my mask holder here. So I just ended up putting 2 butterflies, a smaller one sitting up here and a larger one there. And then I have these things here that I'm adding to it so that I can connect it. This one is just a little too large, so I'm going to put another one through there. But yeah, that's what I did with that one, okay? I didn't forget. All right. So another small item I did, I took my little mirror and I added faith and some stones around it and some hearts, and just to, you know, not have it so plain. And this is that mirror that I'm talking about. But yeah, just did that. And I'm going to spruce it up and give it a little shine, because I was working on it, clearing up all of the glue and stuff. But I'm going to do that now. But I don't have time to do that and get this video out. So I am just letting you guys see what I have done thus far. And I'm also going to bling out this. I will be putting stones on each of these little black appear to be holes, the pores of the pineapple, just so that it will bling when I'm using it. So I'm sorry I didn't get to do that yet and show it to you guys, but yeah, that's my next project. I had to show you guys, so far this is what it's looking like. Look how different it looks already. So freaking pretty. That definitely does not look like it came from the Dollar Tree. So all I've been doing is placing my stones over all of the little black holes, and that's giving me my bling. So when I throw it on to my little summer bag or whatever, even this one, I could hang it off of that one. It will just have that little bling when something hits it, you know. You have the flash on so you could get a really good view of it, but it's really pretty with the stones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more stones to put on there, and then I will let you guys see, and then I'm gonna let you ladies go so that you can go out and create as well. And you know, just make things your own, so that it doesn't matter where you got it from. It doesn't have to look like where it came from. Just like you don't have to look like what you're going through. If you're going through anything negative, you don't have to look that way. Get up, dress up, look cute, and whatever you do, just try to not go through life debating. Try creating new ways, creating better days, creating things that you love to look at and things of that nature. All right, let me get back to it. Here is the finished product. Okay, and you can use all tiny stones. I just chose to put some larger ones and some smaller ones just to give it some definition, and I think that worked out well for me. But for you, you may want to use all just tiny ones just to cover the hole. That will be equally as pretty. And then I wanted to pull out the umbrella color, so I did put some hot pink in there and some, I was going to do it all this color, believe it or not, and changed my mind when I began to look at the other colors. So I said, actually, you know what? Actually, I didn't do enough. I did no green for this straw. So I'm going to grab a green off of here and I'm going to swap this out. Let me get this off and then I'll let you all see the finishing. And so that green picked up this here. That's what I wanted there. So I like it. I like it a lot. OMG. She is so freaking pretty. That is going to be stunning on a bag. So think about that. You could dress up your beach bags or whatever bag you have to go with that. But only try to put them where the holes are, because that way you don't lose, you know, all the character of it and the painting that they, you know, the design of the pineapple. Okay, so there is the latest items. And, yeah, guys. I like it. I like it. Anyway, ladies, make sure you be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. And y'all know it's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later.
Jesus talking now. I know you heard that. Take a second look and you gonna replay all of that.